We are at IKEA today. This is going to be our first experience with IKEA. We're going to go inside. We're going to see if we can find some good storage and organization products for the camper. See what we can find. Stick around. They'll fit in that little skinny medicine cabinet if you have one that's skinny. Suction cup land. Showers. There's like never enough places to put your shampoos and soaps and stuff.
So you got the Swedish flag and your meatballs there?
Hey, that's right. Always looking for the next thing to store some Legos in. And
one Nick has got like this.
Hey guys, welcome back to Why Wait. I'm Chris.
I'm Megan.
And as you can see, here we are at IKEA. Now, if you've already subscribed to our channel, we definitely appreciate every one of you for following along, watching our channel, subscribing. If you haven't, we definitely appreciate a big thumbs up and a like. And subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so you guys can always get notified every time we come out with new videos. So, what are we doing today?
We are at IKEA, and this is our first trip to IKEA, and we are looking for anything, storage, organization, just some items that we might be able to make use of in the camper.
We've always wanted to go to IKEA. We've always heard about it, and this was before we lived in an RV. And now that we've heard, our IKEA is kind of made for small living. That's kind of the basis of the whole thing. It just makes sense to go check it out. We've seen other people, talk about how much, nice organization and storage products they have. So we want to go see what we can find today and give you guys an idea of what they have here as well. All right, let's go check it out and see what they got.
Let's go.
Maybe we'll come away with some good stuff. I'll probably have to drag her out of here today. You guys mapping out what's for lunch?
This is Corbin's goodies.
They look like some good choices. It's pretty good, thank you. You can tell the camera what's going on here.
So we are trying an IKEA lunch today.
Is that why you got a Swedish flag and your meatballs there?
Hey, that's right. You gotta have Swedish meatballs if you're
Okay, I have
IKEA.
salmon, hollandaise sauce, broccoli. I don't know what that is. Something.
Potato
I don't know.
biscuit.
And Corbin's got chicken fingers, ranch, broccoli, and fries.
I got a butterscotch, like almond or something, butterscotch cake.
All right, well, the price was good. Let's see how it tastes.
Yeah.
Lunch was okay, but I do feel healthier for eating it. All right, let's go do this.
Everybody needs storage. A lot of it. These are great. These are real lightweight. These little fold-up bins, they have like a little clear mesh on the end so you can see what's in them. So they have tons of them. The hanging ones that you could hang if you have any closet space. If you're looking for something for your pantry or even in your refrigerator, these things are fantastic. Especially if you're not full-time and you have to load and unload your refrigerator. It'd be nice just to have everything in a bin and you just pull it out and go. Those are nice.
This would be good for like small books or something.
Okay, that's a good idea.
Small toys.
Use them for toys.
By the way, if you don't have an IKEA in your area or you can't make it to one, we have links down below to Amazon for everything you see today.
Something that we might have to leave with today is these little racks. We've been looking for something to give us a little bit more organization in the bathroom. These are plastic little containers and they slide right over this little rod that you install. Kitchen, bathroom for us, bathroom toothbrushes, toothpaste, whatever in there. Give you a little bit more room in your very tiny medicine cabinet in the bathroom. I like that. I love this stuff. We use stuff like this, storage containers, cereals and stuff like that. These things are so good.
I like how you can even get the thing to mount it on the bottom of your shelf.
And they stack really well on top of each other. You can see right through it, you know, what you've got inside. Another cool gadget is this. It folds up, well, you put it together. It's a bag dispenser. You have all those plastic Walmart bags and stuff hanging around, kind of shoved underneath the sink.
Or even your reusable bags too, kind of
Yeah.
like up there. And this would be pretty cool if you just want to save some space. It's a 1-burner induction little stovetop here, because as you guys know, every time you fire up the propane stove or oven, 1, you waste some propane, and 2, as you guys know, it heats up the camper very easily. So these do not get as hot. And if you just want to put a pan on here, do your eggs and bacon without firing up the propane every time, this is a nice little item to have. It's a good space saver. Definitely if you're doing like van life, something like that too. I would definitely recommend something like this. So a nice little product if you're just not so much into using the propane stove.
Easy to store. You just,
Yep.
you know, put it in a cabinet somewhere.
Yep.
When you're not using
Go
it.
right away, nice and small. Somebody's hanging in there. He's a champ today. I think we're wearing him out though.
Corbin. That's super cool.
What do they call him?
Big leg.
Bagleck?
Look.
Now that's a good
Legos on
storage
top.
container.
That's cool.
How much does it cost?
It costs
Probably 15 for that one.
the biggest one, you know.
Yeah. And what's that do, buddy?
Well, you can put stuff on top of it, like Lego stuff on top and inside.
Always looking for the next thing to store some Legos in. So I've seen a lot of people ask questions about what you can do with your shoes and shoe storage and stuff like that. And this was an option that we've thought about. You want to show them how it works?
Just pull back on, put your hand in the and pull back.
Cool. There you go. Look, there's already some shoes in there.
Nice.
Woo.
And then that would actually fit, it's not wide at all. I mean, that would fit into a hallway or
Maybe
out of
6
the way.
inches, if that.
Yeah.
So we find it pretty cool that if you're looking for something in your camper, some furniture to replace the peeling couches like we are probably going to be in the market for soon, all the furniture in here has measurements. So measure the space you need, or you know, the size you have in the camper, and come looking and see if you can find something that'll fit. We got quite a bit to choose from, and the prices are pretty good. Something else that I've been waiting to come to IKEA to find, and I found them. These little net bags for, we never know where to put our fruit, vegetables. That's what they look like. And I've got some ideas. I've been looking for these, so I'm at home. Okay, we use these all the time. So the flexible cutting mats, we use them in our freezer to keep all the ice from, you know, accumulating. Makes it a lot easier to defrost your freezer. And we did a video on that too, didn't we?
Yeah.
And we'll put the link right up here. We have another set that we use to actually cut vegetables on. Stores right underneath the sink. They're great. Easy to clean. If one gets messed up, toss it. You're not losing much.
Corbin, if we buy one of these, I'm not serving you dinner in bed, okay?
Hi. Mama would do it though, so. You think you have wheat?
I like the fact that it folds up to save space.
Yes, and we actually do use trays quite a bit.
Good for
Yeah.
him to do his crafting, his schoolwork, and eating sometimes on the couch or in his bedroom.
Sometimes the butler brings him
Yes.
dinner in bed.
What do you call me when I bring you your dinner in bed?
A servant or a butler?
A servant or
Or
a
wait,
butler?
how about this? How about
Oh jeez.
Jeeves.
showers? There's like never enough places to put your shampoos and soaps and stuff like that. At least not in ours. Anyway, they have these suction cups, and they have all the different kinds of bins. You can put your razor or hang your towels, soap. They've got any kind of configuration you could want to, create, I guess. These are a really good idea. Corbin already picked out something that he likes. It'll go over the side of his bed rail, and he has a tablet, he has a remote for his television, and some other little odds and ends and things that he keeps, and he thought this would be a good idea for him to store those, since he's always dropping them on the floor or looking for a place to put them. Another little great bin, I guess, for organizing your medicine cabinet. They're skinny, they'll fit right in your medicine cabinet.
Those would be good as to help out with the nightstand situation too. You can easily attach those to the wall.
Yep.
Or any of these containers with command Velcro strips. And good for holding phones, remote controls, all your little knickknacks. Make some use of that wall space that everybody has by the bed. So
yeah, if you don't have like any other kind of little stand, that'd be great.
yeah.